Alright, it's the beginning of Snowmageddon. 10 a.m. I'm in St. Louis, off of Manchester. Just started about 9 a.m. I think it's gonna stop for a while and then start up again at 1 if the weather report is correct. There's a lot more cars out than I expected because pretty much all the news is telling everyone to stay home the whole weekend, but no one's gonna listen to that. It's a little slick. I have seen some cars slide, so should be interesting. Oh, that car can't even get up the hill. That'd be funny. So anyway, I've seen cars slide. Oh, someone's walking. It is, I don't know the exact temperature. Last time I looked, it was 7 degrees. So it is freezing. So I'm just gonna do a bit throughout the day. I'm not walking the whole loop because I'm just gonna monitor this path to see how deep it gets, how much snow we actually get. Because if you all watched the weather this week, and everyone portrayed this as the end of the freaking world, which we get snow every year, so not for sure why everyone acted like this was going to be something different. It's not yet, not for St. Louis. Alright, here is the lake. Since all this week it has been around 10 degrees. The lake has started to freeze. Not enough to get on. It'd have to be like 10 degrees for 10 days before it was safe. It's never safe. So hopefully no kid will be stupid enough to try to brave the ice, because it's not thick enough yet. So you can see where it's not frozen in the middle. Since this is like a man-made mini lake, there is a couple, I don't know, I'm just gonna call them agitators. What do you call like the fountains that keeps the water constantly stirring so it doesn't grow mold? There's 2 of those in the lake, and that's why there's certain spots that don't freeze over. Anyway, that man just passed me. He's brave. I'm wearing my normal tennis shoes, which I regret. It's not thick enough yet. I will wear my snow boots later. I also have snowshoes if it gets really bad. We'll see. But this is a good start to Snowmageddon. We'll see if it gets worse than this. This guy's going really slow. Since it is a little slick, people are sliding. All right, this is enough for now. It's definitely getting a little thicker. I'm wishing I wore my snow boots. So, I plan on coming out every hour. Like I mentioned earlier, there has been a couple people walking. One guy has passed me so far. There are lots of cars out, and I have seen a couple slide. It has had freezing temperatures all week. I feel like I want to, like, past this road right here is like stoplights at the bottom of the hill, and people wreck all the time there. I feel like I need to like set up a camera and just see how many people wreck, but that might be a little too morbid for me. Plus I want to bake cookies today. I was gone for about 20 minutes, probably 30 minutes, and my earlier footprints are starting to be like covered completely. It's just that weird fluffy snow that kind of looks fake when you see it up close, because it's got these little pellets in it that look like Beanie Baby stuffing. I have not seen the plows out at all. All right, 2 hours later, it's still snowing. The plows have came through twice. My neighbor across the street shoveled once. That guy has a snow blower or a leaf blower that he's blowing the snow. I'm gonna walk down to the lighthouse and then I'll come back and shovel a little. It's very light, but originally it was only supposed to snow for an hour and then stop and then come back. But now the forecast is continuous snow, so I'm just gonna keep up with it. All right, second walk. I will say it feels way colder than it did 2 hours ago. So I don't know that I'm just gonna show this. I think I'm just gonna go back and shovel the driveway. I'm wearing the same clothes. You can see how thick it is. And it just feels so much colder. I didn't check the temperature. I know it's below 10 degrees. So, I don't know. It's too cold. Plus you can still see the grass. I'll walk later when you can no longer see the grass. All right. It's like 4 hours later. It's been snowing nonstop. It's still like the light and fluffy. Robert says this is perfect ski weather. What?
Snow. It's good snow, but it's too cold to be skiing.
Too cold.
7 degrees.
Perfect ski snow. So we might go to Hidden Valley on Monday.
What's Hidden Valley?
The ski resort? Isn't that what it's called?
Yeah.
So yeah, Missouri, we do actually have a ski resort. They usually have to make their own snow, but not this week. And the good thing is that it's gonna stay cold all next week. So the snow is not melting anytime soon. So it's gonna stick around, which it normally doesn't do that. Because normally in St. Louis, the day after it snows, it gets way hot and then everything melts. Okay. When I walked down here earlier, that generator was not running. I'm not gonna go down there. That generator is so loud.
Generator? Huh.
What is that sound? You know what I mean?
Yeah, I don't know.
I wanted... Huh. But there's no one in it.
No.
We're gonna walk around this way. I wanted to show we'll just walk through the drainage. I guess we'll walk, I guess it don't matter. We'll walk down there. It don't matter. It's just a little loud. No one's in it, so I don't know what's going on. Anyway, we shoveled the driveway once. And it's just, the thing is, it's so freaking cold. And we're not going anywhere. So it kind of is like, why are we shoveling? Okay. Just as long as we get it done by Monday, because now I really want to go to Hidden Valley. Maybe they were using that?
Maybe.
Huh. Anyway, I wanted to go check on the geese. So there's keep out signs right here. There's a dock right there, but the dock got damaged. And I thought they fixed it because that was gone for a while. But then they put that back up, so I don't know what's going on there. So here we go. Look at that. So pretty. Minus the generator sound. I know. All right, we're going back to the house. It's 9 degrees. If it was like 24 degrees, 30 degrees, I would go for a long walk. But 9 degrees is just too cold. So anyway, going back to Hidden Valley. I don't know how to ski. I've never skied. Robert knows how to ski. He even has his own skis. But he ain't skiing either. They have, what do you call it? Tubing.
Yeah, I won't ski there because it's like
ice.
It's total ice.
But they have a tubing hill, and you don't bring your own tube. They have their own tubes, and then they even have like a little escalator pulley, so you don't even have to carry the tube up. the little escalator system carries the tube up, so there's the... Anyway, that's what we're planning to do on Monday. Maybe, depending on the temperature. I just want it to be over 20 degrees. Is that too much to ask? Oh, so cold.